Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at a very important concept that will likely be covered in eighth grade, and that concept is known as reflection. All right, so in eighth grade, you are going to reflect an object over the x-axis, and then you're going to reflect an object over the y-axis. And the y-axis video will be covered next time, but today we're going to cover how to reflect an object over the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis that you see right here marked by X. Here is the y-axis, but today we're going to reflect these two original objects, these two original figures over the x-axis. And we're going to show you what takes place when you reflect over the x-axis. And so let's take a look at points A, B, C, and D over this original figure, and you will notice that A is at 0.4, 2, B is at 0.8, 2, C is at 10, 8, and D is at 2, 8. And what we're going to do, we are going to reflect those points across the x-axis. And here's how A prime will look. A prime will look like this, 4, negative 2. B prime will be 8, negative 2. C prime will be 8, I should say 10, negative 8, and D prime will be 2, negative 8. And here's what's happening. We are transforming xy to x negative y. In other words, x stays the same while y changes its signs. And we're going to see how that is true over here as well. And let's say we're on the other side of this coordinate plane, and we're going to reflect this figure across the x-axis over here, in which we know that A is equal to negative 7, 1, B is negative 5, 3, C is negative 7, 8, and D is negative 9, 3. Now, when we reflect that over the x-axis, here's what's going to happen. All right, we still have a negative 7, but this 1 now changes to negative 1. All right, now let's take a look at B prime. So that was A prime. Let's take a look at B prime. We still have negative 5, but 3 changes to negative 3. And when we look at C prime, we still have a negative 7, but the y changes to negative 8 because it was 8 here on the original figure. Now it's negative 8 right here. And D prime, we still have negative 9, but 3 changes to negative 3. All right, so there you have it right there. When you reflect over the x-axis, x stays the same, but y changes its sign. All right, this would be a good time to pause the video if you like, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of reflecting over the x-axis. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.